Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to duplicate layer in Photoshop. So get it started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see duplicate layer. Now we're going to the Photoshop document. Now you can see. Then we're going to the layer option. Now you select from two layer. Now select from past layer. Now click from mouse right button option. Then click. Now click from duplicate layer. Now click and duplicate layer name, and as a name from duplicate. Now I choose from name from layer 2. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see. Then again click from mouse right button. Now click from same process. Now click from duplicate layer. Then I as a name from sense. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see duplicate layer in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.